Tonight, I'm cooking.
What are you making?
Bob's famous vegetable soup. Do you have any vegetables?
I have some onions, tomatoes.
How many tomatoes?
2. I have some beans, some peas, 1 cabbage, and a potato.
Great.
You want them all?
It's vegetable soup. Pass those bananas, please.
Bananas are fruit.
Yes.
You put bananas in your vegetable soup?
Sounds good, doesn't it? Now, do you have any sugar?
Yes.
And I need a lemon. Oh, and do you have any coffee?
Do you have a recipe for this?
Go watch TV, please. Come, have a taste.